I can actually get in here when you get back. I can actually crawl in there, put about 10 bags of pea gravel in here, put the wheat berry in there, flush it back up here, and that'll be it for that part. And put the pump back in there. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, thank you.
Have a great day.
Appreciate you.
You want a little bag?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.
He's always here. So I don't know where that is.
Which vehicle is yours?
Huh?
Which vehicle is yours? Is it over here or
Over
down?
there by the front door, by the pro parking right there.
You need help loading real quick? I got a second.
Oh, thank you so much, yes, sir.
I'm going to do a landscape project, but I got 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
So this morning, I don't like tight spaces or claustrophobic, but it is what it is. We are going to line a trampoline at my client's house out here in Temple, Texas. So yeah, I'm trying to get done as fast as I can. But yeah, I'm underground. It's cooler down here though too, but I'm underground right now. When you got a trampoline in ground, you want a gravel base. There's a pump out here. Actually, I put it in the very bottom. But I'm gonna line this so you keep weeds and roots from coming up. And yeah, stay tuned. Gotta get out of here. So it's all done out here in we're in Temple, Texas. So the client this morning, she's wanted a barrier put down. When you have an in-ground trampoline, you gotta put a barrier in there. I don't know if you guys saw the first video, but I put it in there. You can see it down there. Turn this in here so you can see. There's a liner on there. It's very important. So you get that in there if you're putting the in-ground trampoline. Then we're gonna come back later on, fill in these gaps with topsoil and the grass, and then that's it. So my video wasn't long enough. Sorry, I ain't got a shirt on. It's hot outside. Just got home from work. Did some videos on YouCut. Reached out to a couple clients. Checked on my guys. About to decompress to eat and down some water. But my video wasn't long enough, so I gotta add an extra 2 or 3 minutes to it. So here we are. So I'm gonna go outside real quick and talk to you guys. I always say don't open your mouth. It's got something to add about you people. So let's go. Hot. Yes. I have some allergies. As long as I'm not out in the sun too long, I'm okay with that. But let's add value to you guys. I know humans are hurting. That's the main thing. Authenticity sells nowadays. Instead of bragging about what you got, what you don't got, crying, complaining about your life, tell your story, man. I don't care who you are. Tell your story. Every single human on this planet is going through something, whether they want to fake it, whether they want to mask it, whether it's childhood trauma, going through divorce, marriage issues, separation issues, mental issues, issues with your body, financial issues. Your kids are acting up. Work's just stressing you out. You can never decompress in the evenings. Every time you turn around, a bill's due, a vehicle's breaking down. You got more money you got to spend on the children. Turn around, your rent's due, the mortgage is due. I get it. It is hard out here. I don't have anything to tell anybody, but you got to focus. And when you get time, I always say just do 1% more every day. Learn something. Get on YouTube, read a book, get into your Bible, talk to a friend, make a new friend, you know, something like that. But every day, just try to be 1% better. Don't try to be anybody else but yourself. You can't change who you are. Just keep growing to the best version of yourself. Stop being insecure. I'll tell you like this. You could give away $1 million. People still gonna talk about you. It's okay. You're not supposed to want everybody like you. Everybody's not for you. People who are for you are just like you. They understand. They're just like-minded. That's your tribe. That's your niche. That's your community. Everybody else, don't worry about them. You are not for everybody. You cannot reach everybody. You cannot make everybody happy. You cannot please everybody. Don't even try it. Don't worry about it. Turn to God. Focus on yourself. Learn a new skill. Get on YouTube. Get on Facebook. Get on TikTok. Sell something. Learn something. Money doesn't grow on trees, and you got to put yourself out there. You got to put yourself out there. Find time for yourself. Sit down in a room, in a closet, whatever you got to do. Double down and get focused. I'm just telling you guys, you got this. All right. It's Monday. I just got home. I appreciate y'all who watch me on whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I appreciate you all. You know, so if you need anything, reach out. Other than that, keep watching. I got more things to tell y'all, more things to teach y'all, more things for y'all to follow. Other than that, I love you guys. Appreciate y'all.